While he was screaming, I was beaming in the beamer, just beaming. Can't believe that I caught my man cheating. So I found another way to make him pay for it all. So I went to meet Marcus on a shopping spree. And on the way I grabbed Soli and Mia. And as the cash box rang, I thought everything away. There goes the dreams we used to say. There goes the times we spent away. There goes the love I had, but you cheated on me, and that's for that now. There goes the times we spent alone. There goes you never leave me alone. For all the lies you told, this is what you owe. When you're feeling wanna give up wild, just go back and hit him up style. Put your hands on his cash and spend it to the last night for all the hard times. When you go, then everything goes, from the crib to the ride and the clothes. So you better let him know that if you mess up, you gotta hit him up. And all of the things I sold will take you until you get old to get them back without me, 'cause my just better than money on sale.